Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome dear students. Let us learn a poem today. Are you all ready? Standard 4, subject English poetry, topic races. What is this picture, children? Yes, it is our school. We miss our school very much because in the school we learn many things. We sing, we dance, we play, we watch videos in the AV room and what not. And after 5th period, we get to eat with our friends, sharing our eatables. That is real fun. What is that break in between classes called? Yes, recess. The break between class is called the recess. Now, we shall recite a poem called Recess. Students, the person who writes poems is a poet. The name of the poem is Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. I repeat, girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. This is the first stanza of the poem. Here, the poet says, in the recess the children are making lots of noise. They run, jump and laugh and groups of children walk about here and there. Now, we move on to the second stanza. Repeat after me. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. I repeat, a game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. In the second stanza, the poet says that though the children play with all their strength, no one wins the game because the bell rings long before the game is over. So they couldn't decide who has won and who has lost. Now we shall find the rhyming words from the poem. What do you mean by rhyming words? Words ending with the same sound are called rhyming words. Finding rhyming words of the poem is a fun. Let's find out the rhyming words. Yes, let us see from the first stanza. Boys noise, their air, shout about. Let's move on to the second stanza. Begins, wins, main and gain. Do all these words end with the same sound? Yes, they are. So they are called rhyming words. Now students, read the poem quietly and answer my questions. The first question, what do the children do during recess in this poem? Yes, try to write. Okay, I'll help you. In the recess, children do lots of noise. They run, jump, laugh and shout. The second question, why does no one win? Yes, write the answer. No one wins because the school bell rings long before the game is over. Third question, who is a poet? Yes, right? The poet is a person Who writes poems? I hope you all have understood the poem. There is a small homework for you children. Write down the homework. The first one, how do you spend your recess? Describe in 4 to 5 sentences. The second question, recite and enjoy the poem. Take care and keep learning something new every day. Thank you, students.